Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, here to enrich your everyday cooking with the power of umami. Today, I'm going to walk you through the very heart of Japanese flavor, Katsuobushi, by answering several of the most common questions about it. By the end of this video, you'll know everything about Katsuobushi, including how the professionals choose the best Bonito flakes. Let's get started. 1. What kinds of katsuobushi are there? There are two main types of katsuobushi. Arabushi. This is a basic form, bonito that has been simmered, smoked, and dried. It has bold, smoky, aroma, and a rich, powerful flavor. It's perfect for sauces and deep flavored dashi. Onkarebushi. This is a arabushi that has gone through repeated cycles of mold aging and sun drying, then further aging. The aroma becomes mellow, and the flavor more delicate and refined. This type is ideal for clear soups and elegant dashi. Another important difference comes from which part of the fish is used. Male cut, back fillet, lean and clean flavor, perfect for dashi. Female cut, belly fillet, rich in fat and packed with umami. 2. What kind of nutrition does katsuobushi have? Katsuobushi is high in protein, low in fat, and low in calories. It also contains all the 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce. Even just sprinkling a small amount on your food adds valuable nutrition. It's an incredibly smart and easy ingredient to use every day. And it's especially great for helping tired bodies recover. 3. How is katsuobushi made? The process consists of 6 major steps. 1. Filleting. The head is removed. The fish is cut into 3 pieces and separated into back and belly fillet. 2. Simmering. The fillets are cooked in boiled water to sterilize and firm the flesh. 3. Deboning and shaping. Small bones are carefully removed and the shape is refined. 4. Smoking and drying. Daikon. The fillets are slowly smoked and dried over wood fire for several weeks. At this stage, it becomes a arabushi. Surface trimming. The outer surface is cleaned and shaped. This completes the arabushi. 6. Mold culturing and sun drying repeated. Moisture is further removed, and the aroma and umami are refined. This final product is onkarebushi. 4. How should you shave katsuobushi? For home use, a Bonito shaver is the best tool. Here are 3 key tips. 1. Check the blade condition. A rusty blade is a definite no. The edge should be sharp and properly angled. 2. Blade depth matters. About the thickness of a postcard is ideal. Too much, and it turns to powder. Too little, and it won't shave properly. 3. Let it moisten and warm the shaving surface for clean, beautiful flakes. When shaving, keep the head side down Push and put straight at about a 30-degree angle and keep the surface flat. That's the secret to making bonito flakes that dance like flower petals. 5. How do you use Katsuobushi? Professional flavor comes from using the right thickness for the right purpose. Hanakatsuo, thin flakes. This for aroma. Packed for mixed soup, clear soup, chilled tofu, and toppings. Medium to thick flakes, ideal for rich dashi, used in simmered dishes, soda dipping sauce, and ramen broth. Thread cut or powdered flakes, great for mixed in, onigiri, furikake, and tsukudani. How to make dashi without bitterness. Bring water to a boil. Turn off the heat. Add hanakatsuo. Wait 30 seconds. Do not press the flakes. Just let the flavor naturally drip off. That's all it takes to make an incredibly fragrant, delicious dashi. Quick and easy, right? 6. How should you store katsuobushi? Keep it in dry, cold place. That's a must. If it ever gets wet, dry it completely before storing. Wrap it tightly with a plastic wrap and keep it in the refrigerator. Moisture causes unwanted mold, so keep your shaver and storage container completely dry. Unopened packs last well in a cool, dark place. Once opened, need to control the moisture level. Where should you buy katsuobushi? The key is to choose based on how you plan to use it. For elegant dashi and toppings, hanakatsuo thin flakes. For strong flavored broth, thick cut flakes. If you are unsure, I recommend buying both thin and thick varieties so you can truly enjoy the full range of katsuobushi flavor. Always choose a product with a long expiration date and the freshest shave possible. At Kobayashi Foods, our experienced staff carefully selects and shaves Bonito to ensure the highest possible quality. You can find the details through the link in the description.